Hi, let's see last week's portfolio update. Right now, portfolio crossed $2,000. That's a milestone achieved last week. Let's go to the weekly. So, weekly, you see the gain, it's $10 on the positive side. There was no earned dividends last week. Overall, the portfolio is still $102 positive, 9.52 percentage. And if you go to the car wash, so our goal was to hit $9.99 as dividends. So we got in JP, we have now around 25 shares with last month's dividend. If we calculate, it will be more than $10. So hence we achieved the financial independence, and our average share price is 54.58, and currently it is 54.88. So we'll add it to this slice only when it's less than the average share price. That's my current plan. So other than JP, so the main share that I would be investing, whatever dividends I get in JP, would be invested into MAA. This is one of the real estate that I am trying to invest. It's not a very huge stock, but and also on the dividend perspective, it's not that much. But I would prefer MAA right now, mid American apartment communities, and the price is 148.18. So once we get some dividends from JP next month, we'll put into MAA. So as we achieved both car wash and Costco membership financially independent, we move to our next expense, that is Netflix subscription. So here our aim is $15 per month, and for that I'm taking a risk. I'm investing all the amount right now to TSLY. It's a Tesla Yield Max option. So right now their yield is around 28.58. I don't think this is sustainable. Still, I'll go with TSLY. So my target would be like 15 percentage or more. So whatever I get more than 15 percentage, I would be happy. Now let's go to the activity. Last week, I invested $394. That's why we achieved financial independence on car wash quickly. And all the morning trading for the Monday, I see it went to JP. After that, on Tuesday, there was an $18 deposit on the morning trading. Once the financial independence is achieved on JP, we'll invest to the next expense, that is TSLY. $18 on TSLY. And after that, the regular $11 deposit that also went to TSLY. And we received a dividend from Costco zero point zero 0.07. So we'll note it down. So while we invest into Costco, I think the minimum deposit should be $1. Minimum trading should be $1. Hence, we'll add this zero point zero 0.07 to the next dividend from QYLD and put into Costco. Now let's go to our Excel to understand the monthly dividends. Here you could see QYLD, there was nothing we touched. JP right now we have 25.01966. Hence the dividend closed our financial independent 9.99 for car wash. Right now the dividend is 10.62. Costco it's 0.02. And TSLV right now we have 2.12 shares, so the dividend per month is 0.94. Hence the current monthly dividend it increased to 18.21. Annual dividend it is 207, and yield on cost it's now again more than 10%. I'd like to keep it more than 8% even if it's invested. Let's see what happens. Checking our financially independent date, monthly dividend is 18.21, and let's calculate the Financial independent date, it decreased. Right now my age would be 321 and the financial independent date is 2306 April 1st. At that month I would be earning 25 million in dividends. Let's say the milestones achieved last week. So annual dividend, it reached $200. It crossed $200. Portfolio also crossed 2K. And now we are financially independent on the car wash subscription. So it's now free as of May 20th. Let's see the milestones achieved so far.